Want to hide your caller ID when making calls on your iPhone? Adjusting your caller ID settings can help you manage your privacy effectively. Here is how you can show or hide your caller ID or phone number on your iPhone. Solution 1. Hide caller ID for all calls. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, find out Phone app. After that, scroll down from the app, tap Show My Caller ID, toggle off Show My Caller ID. Your phone number will now be hidden when making calls. Solution 2. Hide caller ID for specific calls. Open the phone app, tap the dialer keypad, enter *#31# followed by the number you wish to call. Your phone number will be hidden for this call only. After that, your caller ID will be hidden after following these process. If you still have any issues or need further assistance, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.